Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today we've protected this 2021 BMW M3 with a Starline system. So if someone cloned the key, as usual, when to start the vehicle up, to steal it, as soon as they put it in drive, it's going to switch off. There we go. So for the customer to drive it, they can either pair their phone up with an adjustable Bluetooth range and just hop in the vehicle and start it, or they can use a PIN code. To do that, start it up, put in their code. For the video, we've left it as 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, and now they can drive the vehicle. It doesn't stall out. If they want to change this code, all they've got to do is first disarm the system, whether that be with their phone or through the code. So we'll just keep our foot off the brake. On BMW, using the new ones, it's a triple press of the start button. So 1, 2, 3, ignition powers up. So confirm it's us with our code, 1, 2, 3. There we go, we've got our disarm zone. Now press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off and back on. So once again, triple press. 5 bleeps, and it's ready to change the code. So we'll just do plus, plus, minus, plus on the paddle. We'll wait for a confirmation and repeat that again. So plus, plus, minus, plus. And this can be all the way up to 21 presses in any order. We've got our confirmation, that's the new code learnt. So now after the system's set, the customer fires the car up, pops their code in that we've just set, get their disarm tone, and it can be driven. If they want to take it for a service, they can put it in service mode through the app with a simple press and hold from green to yellow. They'll get 2 bleeps, which puts it in service mode, and then do the same in reverse. But if they don't have the code, so if they don't have the phone, they can do it with the buttons. So ignition on, once again, disarm it to prove that it's us, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the disarm tone, then press any button 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on. 2 bleeps, it's a normal vehicle. So now, if BMW start it up, there's no need for a code, it goes into gear. They can drive it around their workshop as if it was a normal vehicle. When you get it back from them, all you got to do, ignition on, put your code in, you get 2 bleeps. There we go, and now it's out of service mode. So the next time this vehicle's attacked, if someone hopped in after sort of 10 seconds of the Immobiliser setting, it will stall as soon as they select a gear. So now, just taking it out of service mode, thief tries to steal it, select a gear, switches off. If you want to get one of these installed, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.